This video documents the anti-down-under deal that will be added to the Important Shuffles playlist on the Absolute Math Magic channel. And to my knowledge, this is not presented anywhere on YouTube. Okay, so the down-under deal is a very common deal in mathematical card magic, a very useful one. But to undo it is not something that I've seen anyone talk about, even though inverse shuffles are extremely important in card magic and in card handling. So for example, the Klondike and the Mange shuffle are inverse shuffles or inverse dealings. Okay, so let me just show you this. Now the down under is often called the Australian shuffle. So what we're going to do is I'm going to perform the classic down under and then show you that what I describe here is in fact the anti-down under. It undoes the effect of the down under. Okay, so the down under goes like this. You go down, then under, down, under, down, down, under, down, under. Last one goes on top. Okay, and you can see the new ordering of the cards. It's a bit of a mess. Okay, so that's the result of an ordinary down under. We want to undo that and return the packet to its original order of ace through 8. Okay, so this is how it can be done, and I give all of the instructions over here. So what you do is you push off the top 2 cards into your other hand, like that. Set the next card down on top, and then move or transfer the bottom card to the top. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down for the final card. Okay, so have we undone the effect of the down under? Well, I believe we have. Okay, so this is a very slick way to undo or reverse the effect of the Australian down under. So when I use this on my channel in the future and people are not familiar with this dealing or shuffle, I will point you to this very video that we're recording right now. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share today. Just document this important inverse for the down under deal.